So today's topic is about some people focus on news in their own country, while others think it is more important to be aware of international news. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So first of all, we are having two scenarios in which first people are focusing on the news of their own country. In the second, people are focusing on the international news. So it is clear that we will make two different body paragraphs. Although we are having give your own opinion statement in the statement of whole task. So it is our choice that we want to make our separate BP or we just want to accommodate our opinion in the result. So here I am going to accommodate my opinion in the result. So let's begin. In the introduction, first of all, we will make a journal line in the starting, which should be about news. It is undeniable fact that news influence the life of each and every person in this world. Some of the people like to gather only the national news, whereas whereas some other people or individuals like to get the international news. I believe both the news have their own significant mean in everyone's life, which shall be explained in the further paragraphs. Okay, so after writing this introduction, where I have written, it is undeniable fact that news plays a crucial role in every person's life, whether it is national or international. Yet some people like to gather national news, or some people like to gather the other type of news. It is written in the introduction of ours, and after that I have given my own opinion in the introduction. So now once the introduction is finished, we have to write our first body paragraph, which should be about one set only. Like in the first set, where I am going to write about gathering knowledge of national only. So first of all, if a person is gathering the national news only, then it is clear that they just want to get the news of their own country, and they prefer their own country first. And also, it is also a possibility that people just only like to gather the news because they just want to know about the functioning of their own country, like what is happening in their country. As well as sometimes people like to listen the national news only because they just want to know that how many COVID cases are there in their country or at the place where they are living, so that their health can be maintained. And also, national news affects the local economy. If in the national news it is broadcasted that the price of petrol and diesel is going to be up, then basically the price of majority of the commodities will rise. So in this way we are going to explain our first body paragraph, that why most of people are just watching to the national news. You have to listen to this audio once again if you want to clear that what should be written. Or in the first body paragraph, if we have written that most of the people are just like to watch the national news only, then in the second body paragraph we have to write that majority of people are watching to the international news as well. It is considered to be important because internationally, if people are listening to the news, then their perspective, then their thinking level can be wider and broaden. majority of people just like to watch the international news so that they can be sure that what is in their country and what is happening in the outer country and how can their country be improved, as well as in the different set of regions and in the different regions of the world, majority of technologies are being produced and reproduced. So for having that similarly advanced technologies, people are watching to the news, as well as people are watching to the news. Mostly that are those people who want to go to the abroad, and for that they are watching to the news. They are watching the news so that they can be sure that what kind of facilities will be there, and is there any crime existing in the other country more and in the less proportion than their own country, so that they can go there. So these are the people, and that are the reasons that why people are going to that countries. And once if you have written first body paragraph and the second body paragraph with the separate information, then it is a time to write the overall. And the overall, you have to write in conclusion. After in conclusion there should be a comma and although. In conclusion, although people are listening to the national news mostly in the most of the scenarios, yet international news should also be listened, because majority of lives are affected if the news is broadcasted internationally. So it is a topic today which you all have to write, and it is the explanation. Here I am going to tell you all that it is just an explanation. It is not the way of writing the writing task 2. Okay, your writing task 2 should be formal, should have majority of words. Here I have used some very little words so that all of you can have the chance to write your own words, and don't try to copy my vocabulary. As I have told you, try to write your own vocabulary, and always follow my channel and follow the previous videos which I have already uploaded. And if you want to get classes online and offline, then just contact me. Just read the description for more information.